What is going on, everyone? RC Propaganda here today, and we are out and we're gonna do a fun little video here. I gotta test the drag slash. I got it kind of all buttoned up. Last time I tested it, the slipper clutch was loose. I didn't have any tools, so I do have tools this time, but it's all tight and working, so I'm gonna try to launch this thing. It's not the flattest little park area, but it's kind of the only place that's going to be dry. It's not too cold today. I'm not expecting the car to hook up too great, but I just want to make sure the slipper clutch is working, and also you guys can see the full body reveal and how everything looks. It looks pretty good, and we're going to get this thing out, and then at the end, well, after I'm done doing the testing, I'm going to kind of do some other stuff, and we will keep the camera rolling for that and see if you guys like that kind of thing. So yeah, let's get this all set up and check out this drag slash. Let's do it.
I'm gonna film you doing that step. Wee.
What step?
I don't know, you did like this. Wee.
When did I do that?
Maybe you're fixing your plums. I don't know. Do it.
Sometimes you gotta fix yourself. You know? You get a little... That's funny to you?
See.
You know, there's the turtles.
Oh no.
For some
Save
pictures.
the turtles.
Some photos after.
We love turtles.
All right, here it is. The Nova. Let's get it out in the sun. Looking pretty slick. So I did a flat clear on the outside. Took the shine off of it. It looks a little older, looks good. I got my camber set up and tires all glued on the front. Got an 18-tooth pinion. I'm still thinking it might be a little bit too high, but I don't have my, I don't know, the 16 wouldn't work. It was too small. I couldn't get my mesh set, so. But yeah, I'm gonna put this battery in and rip this thing. All right, so here's my 2S pack. I'm gonna try this bad Larry out. I don't know the C reading. Oh, here it is, 50C hard case. That's the rules with the no prep, is you have to have 2S. It's the limit. So I've been doing everything here, testing on 2S.
The thing with the no prep is to prep.
You gotta prep your no prep. All right, I'm gonna do my first launch. Let's see what it does. Uno, dos, tres. Oh, slow again. I don't know if that was the hookup or not. It's still slipping. You hear it? Yeah. See that? My tires slipping.
He is a slop and upset instead of fast and furious.
Yeah, I just can't figure out if the tires are slipping or it's the slipper clutch or what is going on, but it seems to get going a little bit towards the end, but it's definitely not fast. I don't know. Maybe it's the 2S. I gotta check some more setups, what other people have, how fast they go. See? Yeah, goes straight though. Okay, let's see how many spots we need. I think each spot is 10 or 12 feet here. I'm gonna count, and then I can see how many spots I have to go. So let me count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, each spot is 10. So if we start at that line there, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, okay, 30. Oh, wow. I have to come almost all the way to the end here. So that's, wow, it's pretty far. It's a lot farther than I thought. So I'm gonna go back down there and
I'll wait for you here.
oh yeah, get me coming this way. Okay, I'm gonna go take some photos with my camera for no reason. This lady was over here and then she pulled over here after seeing us here right in my way. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some photos of the car and then I'll get back to testing.
And she didn't even park right.
Found some cool spots.
I do what I want.
Oh yeah. By the lake, baby. By the lake.
No perros.
You gotta go back.
I need to put you on a leash. He's doing his prayers. I don't think my butt can fit in that, but oh well.
Sticks falling out the sky on me.
It was me.
Yeah, I was gonna say that was suspect. These sticks are trying to pull on me. Alright, that lady left, so let's get this thing going. It's weird. Got it's here. Swap out, you guys, my steering servo, so I'm still rocking that stupid Castle. Traxxas servo. I got a nice saw box I got at JJ Customs a couple weeks ago. I just gotta put it in there. Well, that's my guess. Crappy Traxxas servo. Guess I have to put in my other servo now. That stinks. Well, that's gonna end this part of the video, I guess. So I am gonna go take some photos of my figs, walk around a little bit, and I will post the pictures on rcpropaganda.com. I have a section on the top for the navigation for fig pictures, so if you want to check some quality photos out, well, I don't know how quality because I'm not really that great a photographer, but I'm trying. But I figured these figures might look good against some of the scenes we got right now. So if I can't RC, at least I can go take some photos and just enjoy this nice day, because we will be getting some snow coming in. So man, I'm still bummed about this, but what are you gonna do? All right, let's move on. I'm bummed about the drag slash, but whatever, we're gonna walk around. It's pretty nice out, not too shabby. Okay, here we are. And we're gonna set up.
I'm too short.
So here we are, we're gonna set these up. The sun, we have to shoot this way because of the sun, so. Yeah! Oh yeah, look it, we found the perfect little spot for the turtles on their drain. Your turn.
No.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
No.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah, she's gonna do it. Oh, here she goes. She can do it. Look at her go. You got it. Yeah. Oh, she's even showboating. Oh. All right. We're still on the hunt. Looking for some more spots to shoot some fig pics. Good old fig pics. Whoa, it's real slippery right there. I almost just fell. Beautiful.
Are you sure you wanna eat them?
All right, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. It was supposed to be more of a RC video than me taking pictures with the figs type of video. but my servo crapped out, so I wanted to at least finish up something and kind of maybe give you guys a little glimpse into the background of all the photos. So again, if you want to see the photos, you can go to my website, rcpropaganda.com, and they will be under my Figs tab for photos, and you can see all the photos I just took on there. I'm going to do the photos first and then the video. So once the video is up, the photos will definitely be up. Also, if you do want to see some of these photos, I did start an action figure YouTube channel and Instagram. So it's Action Figure Propaganda. I know, kind of right on the nose, but that's what it's going to be. So if you want to see more figure stuff, I will be posting stuff on that YouTube channel. So go over there and subscribe, and you can see all my action figure stuff. I'll be doing more unboxings and all kinds of stuff. We're kind of going to get into figure collecting, maybe a not giant, but a little bit. We'll see how it goes. But if you want to see more, that'll be over there. If you just want to see photos, Action Figure Propaganda on Instagram. But thanks for tuning into this video. You guys know the deal. We'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.
Peace.